Are you in a band or a solo act based in the Northwest? If you would like your music played on Round Sound Radio, please send your MP3 to us. roundsound@inbox.com. Sorted.
You're amazing.
This week at number 14, guys, we see Steve Thompson and the Incidents with Talk Is Cheap. It is up 3 this week. I'm glad it's climbing, because I tell you what, this tune really should. It was actually quite amusing the other night. I don't know if you remember Steve. I had a bit of a rant. I'd had a couple of beers and I got his inbox. It was like, rah, 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 rah. And it's basically about, I get few in me when I see sort of like jealousy within people and other bands and things like that. I've suffered with it a lot in my lifetime. I'm sure a lot of you musicians have as well. You know, the whole hate thing, you know what I mean? Even over the past couple of weeks, I've been experiencing a little bit of that amongst people that I thought were friends, you know, etc. And I mean, the situation I'm in right now, I'm doing a free show. You know, I'm actually sort of like looking after the community, and people still fucking hate me for that. So my thoughts on the situation is these people are never going to be pleased. So keep posting your links, guys, and just keep fucking pissing them off and getting in the face. And every time you post that link, instead of sitting back and thinking, oh God, they're going to think I'm an idiot, think fuck them right off. This is Steve Thompson and the Incidents. Talk Is Cheap. Tune.
Money, but it's too high. lie, and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of a storm, there's a golden sky and the sweet silver song of love. Walk on through the wind, walk on through the rain, for your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You'll never walk alone. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You'll never walk
Stop stirring your tea, dickhead.
Get in, just that confirmation that we have done it. We have smashed the Manx. No, this is a Northwest radio show, guys, so do bear with me if I'm jolly in glee with tonight's result. I'm sure you would be if the tables were turned. I'm sure you're all sound. I'm sure you're all Man City supporters. Cheers, Tucker, for keeping me updated, mate. Is right. Another couple of beers on the cards tonight, I reckon. Right, okay. Meanwhile, back at the job in hand. Next up, we have in at number 13, guys. It is up one this week. It is Hill House with David Cameron. Is the cunt. It's still here. It won't go, this tune, man. It will not go. It's like a nightmare to come back to home, really. I remember entering there for a laugh for them, and it's been in the charts ever since time began. I think it's just one of them tunes that's just haunts me every week. You know what, though? It's a boss tune, and the boss lad, so is fucking right.
Show me a man who's got a plan. Show you a man who's got no money. Show me a thing you think that's cool. Show you a thing that's not so funny. You can say what you like, fool you say it. Feed off the lies they tell and say it. Okay, David Cameron is a can! So the fucking Jeremy Hunt! What they're doing in front of our eyes! A fucking NHS is getting privatised! And you can say what you like, fool you say it. Spam-faced twat-cock! And solo. Fucking moon-faced beagle spanker! part you're gonna play. Show me the place where you'll be hiding. Show me the part I'm gonna play. And show me the place where I'll be dying. You can say what you like. Ooh, you say it. Be out the lies and tell and say it. Okay, my turn. David Cameron is a cunt. David Cameron is a big fucking bastard. David Cameron, a shiny, sweaty face muppet. Shiny David Maggie's puppet. You can say what you like. Ooh, you say it. And feed off the lies they tell and say it. Feed off the lies they tell and say it. David Cameron is a cunt.
We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town radio. All your classics, touching the new, on sound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio. The lads actually give me permission to put that as a download as well, you know, for their fans. Like, they wanted the option for their fans to download that tune, and I can let you know, guys, that 34 people have done so. They've downloaded that tune, so they're obviously enjoying it, you know what I mean? I mean, I like it, my fella likes it, you know. We have it on in the kitchen, you know, when we're sitting there having a bite to eat, like, David Cameron is a cunt. Madness, absolute madness. Right, guys, this week at number 12, we have David Nixon with Moon and Stars. Taking a bit of a nosedive again this week. It is down 7 places. Takes nothing away from the song, though, guys. It's an absolutely wonderful song by David Nixon, this. Have a go. This week's number 12.
Said don't be a moon all your life. Make your own light and shine on the world.